Hey guys, I'm Chef Rakhi Vaswani and welcome to the virtual baking series of Taste of America. Today I'm going to share with you a Taste of America trail mix. A trail mix is a power-packed snack which you can have anytime on the go. So let's get started. So starting with a whole bowl of California almonds, I've actually just chopped these. So I'm going to take another cup of pistachios. These are my California pistachios. To that, I'm going to add a whole cup of California walnuts. And here I'm going to add this cup of puffed amaranth which I've taken. I've just dry roasted in the pan. So I'm just going to add that for a little texture. And some melon seeds going in. And lastly, some pumpkin seeds. So going to give that a good mix. And I just want to give a little taste to that. I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup. This is my twist to it, and it's really going to bring out, the flavors. A very light drizzle because you don't want it to be very soggy. Once it's roasting in the oven, it's really going to get beautiful. The other dry fruits I'm going to put later because these are going to go now into an oven to roast. I have my tray ready lined with a silpat, which I like to do, or you can use a parchment paper. I'm going to lay it over on the tray, and these are going to bake at 170 degrees for a good 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes, till they're nice and crunchy. Just spread them really well so that they bake evenly. Now that my trail mix has come out of the oven and cooled down a little, I love that nice that comes in, that crunch element. I want to season it a little with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt just to bring out that sweetness, and then add some US cranberries. With the cranberries, it's already lifted up, and I want to add some hazelnuts now. I actually have some roasted cinnamon sugar hazelnuts. These are really lovely, and I want to add a handful of those. And you'll see that it's just going to, change the whole game. Really quick, easy, and a power-packed trail mix. Give that a quick mix and that's it. It's ready to go into my jar on my bedside. That's where I keep my trail mix. You decide what you want to do it. For many, many more such tasty recipes, keep following me and Taste of America IA. Have a tasty day.